Angelique here at Nurturing Our Wellbeing. So another week has gone and another week is about to start. And so this is Set It Up Sunday. So I wanted to offer you 3 tips. One is, first of all, exit out. I know it sounds simple, it's nothing new, but you definitely need to emphasize to definitely exit off when you get something done. Just a sense of accomplishment. We need to really acknowledge these small wins with everything that's going on, right? So take it off. Number 2 is please move. Stress lives in our body, and it manifests in many different ways. So we have to move our body. And maybe at the workplace you moved a little bit more. At home we tend to be a little bit more in regards to one place. Also with all these restrictions in the cards, we can't go here, we can't do this. So please move within your house. Find a space that you feel comfortable. If it's not yoga, do some type of movement that's good for you so that you can kind of shift whatever is needed in your body, both in a physical standpoint as well as an energetic standpoint. Okay? And third is to please try and find some way to have fun. As silly as it sounds, it doesn't mean the fact that we are having fun that we're not taking the situation serious. And it doesn't mean in regards to the fact that we're not struggling or that we're not frustrated or angry with the situation. All it means is that we're giving ourselves permission and giving a little bit of self-compassion in regards to have some fun. The inner child, connect with that inner child. So if you've kind of forgotten where that place of you is, then I suggest that first thing you do is just try something new. There's so many new little free workshops being offered. Just try something new. You might surprise yourself and it might be something that you actually enjoy. So please consider these 3 tips as you move forward and as you set up another week. We're in this together, and please don't forget that your time is right now and that self-care, it is the best care. Bye everyone.